Our next speaker is Member of Parliament for Liverpool Walton, Dan Carden. He's currently the Shadow Secretary of State for International Development, and having previously served as the Shadow Minister for International Development, Dan is a very good friend of the community, and I'm pleased to welcome him to Jalsa Salana and invite him to come and say a few words.
Your Holiness, friends, thank you very much for inviting me to join you today. This is my first Jalsa Salana, so thank you very much. It's a real honour to be here. And I represent in Parliament the city of Liverpool, and Liverpool is a city that is literally built facing outwards. And so it's a port city that has been influenced by people from around the world, and that's the culture in which I've grown up. And it makes it especially special to be here amongst you all today. And also as Labour's Shadow Secretary of State, to bring a message from Jeremy Corbyn, a message of solidarity with you all, the leader of the Labour Party, Jeremy Corbyn. And I just want to deliver one message, really, and that is that we are living in a very unequal world today. A world where 1 in 9 people go hungry, 1 in 5 children live in conflict, and where tens of millions are displaced from their homes. And I hope that all politicians and all community and religious leaders put all their efforts into building a more prosperous and equal world for us all to live in. I hope the rest of your conference goes really well, and it's been a pleasure to be here and to be part of it. Thank you very much.